पश्चिम बंगे अपमोर शोकोल बाई बहने के जनाई अमर अंतरिक सुदेचा अबंग नमस्कार। स्वातंत्र संग्राम में कोलाते अबंग साहित्य पूर्व भारत वर्षों के बांग्ला दिखे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, अरविंद घोष, राजा राम मोहन राय, विवेकानंद, बीसी राय, सत्यजित रे ये महापुरुष बांग्लार बुके जन्म ग्रहण कोरोचेन। I am very happy today by seeing all of you. I really appreciate Mamata ji for organizing this great rally in this brigade ground. There is a history for this ground. Any crisis for the nation, they used to have meetings here. After that, all nation will follow. Because of that, so many times transformation has taken place. I really appreciate on behalf of all of you and also on behalf of nation, even people from Andhra Pradesh, for organizing this lakhs of people in a big way. Give big appreciation for Mamata ji for organizing this great meeting to change the future of this country. I really appreciate her. Give appreciation all of you. Mamata ji has done excellent work. All of you has given a big applause and appreciation. Today is a historic day. All stalwarts of national parties and also regional parties, we are all here. We are having only one ambition: save India, save democracy. That's why we wanted to unite India. This NDA and BJP, they want to divide India. We wanted to unite India. That's why if you see all leaders here, we are all in one voice, that is save India, save democracy, and also united India. That is the campaign we are doing. That is the purpose we gathered here. You are all aware, 5 years back, people gave mandate, clear mandate for BJP and NDA. They betrayed the nation. They have given all these slogans: Jan Dhan, Make in India, Digital India, Swachh Bharat, Mudra Loan, Good Governance, Corrupt-Free Country, Smart Cities, bringing black money, and also 2 crore jobs per year, doubling farmers' income, Achhe Din, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, maximum governance, minimum government. These are all the slogans. This Prime Minister is a publicity Prime Minister, not a performing Prime Minister. We want performing Prime Minister, and also at the same time, we want those Prime Ministers concerned for the poor and also society. If you see here one example, he betrayed the farmers in a big way. All farmers were cheated. Within 4 years' time, the income of farming community will be doubled. That is the slogan. Today, if you see, all farmers are committing suicides. It is a big fraud is going on. All farmers are in financial crisis. There is no MSP. They promised MSP. It is not happening. Even average agriculture growth rate is only 1.9%. Never in the history. Even in our state, even West Bengal, Karnataka or Delhi, we are doing better than the national government. And also if you see here, Rafale deal. On contrast, 130 during UPA government, 136 at that time Jet Airlines, they are having only 1.4 billion US dollars. Today, if you see, this government is doing in a big way fraud. They are paying 36 Jet Airways, same price. Even majority of the selection committee opposed it. Even this government forced. Even on Rafale, this government has given wrong affidavit to the Supreme Court itself. That is how they are misleading the nation, misleading the court, and also everything. You are aware of all these things. Farmers issue, they are not bothered. Under the same time, on corruption, they are doing their best. Even here, they denied HAL, which is the premier organization of Government of India. Now they have given Reliance, which is they don't have any experience. It is only a startup company. That is how this government is doing all fraud in the country. Even if you see demonetization, after demonetization, all ATMs are closed. We are not getting money even in bank. Even after demonetization, nothing were found. That means this government wanted to play politics rather than development, rather than any improvement of the economy. Even GST is a fraud. Today you are seeing economic growth rate is stagnant. Earlier, better than this, economic growth rate take place. Today, for the last 4.5 years, it is only average 7.3%. Earlier, it is better economic growth. Because of economic growth, there is a problem of employment and also so many problems, so many crises we are facing. Today you are seeing petrol and diesel, even gas is increasing like anything. This government is not in a position to control price rise and so many things. On the contrary, this government is interfering in federal setup. They are taking all state rights. They are harassing states. If you see here Kashmir, how they have behaved. There is a crisis in Kashmir. Even in Karnataka, it is an elected government. They wanted to manipulation. They wanted to, under any circumstances, they want to destabilize Karnataka government. In this meeting, we are warning central government, if you behave or misbehave with Karnataka, you are going to pay heavy price. Just now, Honorable Kumar Swamiji has rightly mentioned, huge money they are offering for MLAs. Just like animals, they want to purchase MLAs. This is very bad for democracy itself. Even they have championed recently hate campaign. This is very bad for the nation. They want to have a divide and rule. Among communities, they are dividing. Among states, they are creating conflicts. Instead of solving all the problems, and at the same time, they are playing all dirty politics for divide and rule. They want to exploit all these things. All of us are fighting with Government of India. Then they are misusing CBI, ED, RBI, income tax. Even sometimes they have given a wrong affidavit to Supreme Court also. What it indicates, even leaders are fighting. It is democracy. Everybody is having a right to fight or right to express. This government is harassing all people, including all leaders and also all political parties. Even as rightly mentioned by our beloved leader, Mr. Farooq Abdullah ji, EVMs, electronic voting machine, it is a big fraud. You have to understand this. Any developed countries, they are not going for electronic machines. only India is having. This is where all political parties unitedly we have to fight to go back for paper ballot. And ultimately, even media also, they are under attacks. That is how they are doing. Even there is you are all aware, Andhra Pradesh is divided for the 4 years back. In India, youngest state is Andhra Pradesh. After division, there is a bifurcation act. And at the same time, there is a special status also. It was promised on the floor of the house. But this government never helped us. That is how not only Andhra Pradesh issue, everywhere they are misbehaving and also they are not doing their job for helping state and also other areas. So in this meeting I have seen this is the beginning. Downfall has started. I don't have any doubt as our leader Akhilesh has expressed rightly, 2019 you are going to see new Prime Minister that is going to happen for this country. I am asking all of you, you want Amit Shah and Modi? You want Modi and Amit Shah? You want change or not? That is the mood of the nation. All political parties, we have joined together. I really appreciate Mamata ji. This is very extraordinary initiative he has taken. I really appreciate her. This is going to move forward. There will be total transformation. There are so many intellectuals. There are so many leaders here. We are all bothered about the nation. We are all considering nation first, then individuals next. To protect nation, to save nation, to save democracy, everybody in this country has to unite and fight it out. With this, on behalf of Andhra Pradesh, I am really appreciating Bengalis. We are together. Earlier also, N.T. Ramarao started National Front. First meeting in Vijayawada, second meeting in Calcutta. Today, I am offering all leaders, we wanted to have one meeting after this in Amaravati. We are going to organize in a big way. All leaders I am inviting on behalf of Andhra Pradesh people. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, Chandrababu.